what's up? So today we're going to be doing Zach's challenge of 3 products and 3 brushes to create kind of like a grungy brown smoky eye. He used the Becca Aqualuminous foundation. I don't have that, so I'm going to use the Dior Forever Skin Glow. He used the Pat McGrath Blitz Brown eyeliner. Don't have that either, so I'm going to use this Bobbi brown one. I've used this in my kit. I love this, and that's why all the writing has rubbed off, because there's been so much alcohol and everything spilled on it, products. But it's the Bobbi brown eyeliner, and I'm going to use this ABH contour kit because it has, I don't have the Dior one that he used, but it has matte and shimmery shades, so this way I'm able to actually highlight my face as well as kind of set areas to brighten them, and then use the contour powders as contour, bronzer, and eyeshadow. And in terms of the brushes, these are the brushes I'm going to use. So this one is the Sephora Pro. This one is the 55.5. This was for that Rouge 2018 gift when you got to the Rouge tier. Then this one is the Morphe M510 and the Morphe M433. And for the rest of everything else, I'm just going to use my hands. So this is gonna be a big challenge because I usually use like 20 to 25 products on my face and like a whole thing of brushes, but we gotta make do. So I think what I'm going to do is start with my eyes. So I'm gonna take my Bobbi brown eyeliner, but I'm just gonna start by basically rubbing the brown liner all over my eye. And I'm taking this pretty high and I'm just gonna pat it out with my finger, and now I'm just building up the intensity to get it as dark as I want, and then blending it out again. And I'm going to repeat this process a couple times until I get my eye as smoky as I want. So now I'm going to go into my ABH contour kit. I'm going to grab the shade right here, that warm brown. We'll blend that into the crease and kind of smoke out that brown liner. Okay, so now I have it pretty blown out, and I'm gonna go in with this shade that's kind of a little bit darker, just on the outer corner, just to kind of intensify it a little bit. I'm just kind of winging it out. I'm gonna go back in with the liner, and I'm just going to just kind of messily apply it around my lash line. Don't worry about it being perfect. This is just to get that nice depth right at the root of the lash. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit higher, and then I'm gonna go back in with this brush and this darker brown right here and blend around the edges. I'm gonna take the brown liner and I'm going to do my brows. Just doing light strokes and flicking the pencil through my brows. Not very much though, because I do like a very wispy brow lately. I've been really loving kind of like that feathery, bushy brow. I'm not mad at the color. I actually don't mind it. Okay, so I did the brows. So now what I'm doing is I'm just wiping off the brush to get it as clean as I can. I'm going to go into this shade right here and mix it with the yellow, and I'm gonna pinch the brush and clean up underneath them to kind of brighten it and give it a highlight under the brow. Okay, so pinching the brush and just applying these 2 shades underneath the brow to clean it up. Now I'm gonna move on to foundation so I look a little less crazy. I can actually do it on this brush. So what I'm gonna do is pump it onto the back of my hand, 2 pumps, and I'm gonna dot it on my face. And I'm just gonna go in with my Sephora Pro 55.5 and just start buffing just to give an airbrushed look. So for the under eyes, what I do is I take a little bit more product and I just kind of pinch the brush and I make sure I'm able to really press and kind of clean up the edge of that shadow to get it nice and sharp. And then I go right underneath the eye. So now that we're done with the foundation, we're gonna go in with the 2 lighter matte colors here and use them as our setting powder. Underneath the eye, down the nose, the center of the forehead, the chin and upper lip. And then on this brush that I used for the foundation, which I wiped off, I'm gonna dip into the same 2 shades and press it all around my face. So I'm just gonna make sure everything is set. So this way when I apply the bronzer shades and the contour shades, I'm not getting any patchiness, I'm not getting anything clinging. I also totally forgot to add the liner into my waterline, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm also gonna be messy with it. So if it goes onto my lower lash line a bit, that's okay, because we're going for this grungy glam today, and I'm taking the pencil liner all the way. I'm also going to tight line, so put on my upper lash line, because that's just going to make the lashes appear thicker. And now the eyes are done, so now I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to start with mixing these 2 shades together and just contouring and sculpting my face, going right into the hollows, right over here where my hairline starts to turn into the McDonald's arch, on the jaw. Now make sure you're not going actually above the jaw, but instead you're going underneath. So you're gonna want to look up. I need my mirror for this. And you're going to want to go under the jaw. Oops. And you can see how that really cuts the jaw and really emphasizes it. I'm just gonna do it on the other side. I'm also gonna take those 2 shades now and contour my nose. So I'm just gonna go down at the sides of my nose. So I contoured my nose. I did the sides, the tip, and around here. I also brought it up into my eyeshadow because it helps it blend better. Now I'm gonna go back in with this brush and the yellow and the matte pink. So basically the same 2 shades we've been using, and just clean up on the sides of that contour to really brighten it up and sharpen it. So now we're gonna move on to the last step, which is highlighter. So I picked this palette for this shimmery shade here. So I'm gonna take it and put it right on the tip of my nose and right in the bridge here. And I'm gonna pop it into my inner corner and just apply to the cheeks. I'm picking up a lot because I really like a blinding highlight. So I'm trying to get this as shimmery as it'll go. All right, so with the highlight, I touched the cheekbones, the nose, center of the forehead, Cupid's bow, and chin. Now we're gonna move on to the lips. So I kind of want to go a little bit crazy. I was actually thinking of lining my lips with the brown liner, blending it in on the corners, adding a little bit of foundation, and then if I have to, go over it with maybe one of these bronzers. So let's see what I can come up with. So I'm just gonna line my lips. Okay, I know it looks crazy, but this is how the lips are lined. That was too much foundation. I just squirted out. I'm just gonna take a little bit of foundation and hopefully this works, but I'm just gonna put on the center and blend it in. Oh God, oh God, oh no. Well, this is turning gray. I think I just ruined it. Okay, hold on. We can fix this. I can fix this. I think it was looking better before I put the concealer on. Definitely. I'm gonna go in with the warm brown contour shade. Yes, there we go. And put it on top. I'm also gonna take a little bit of the yellow and just put it in the center, maybe mix in a little bit of pink. And just, there we go. All right guys, so I'm just gonna show you in better lighting. So this is my full face with only 3 products and 3 brushes. I actually don't hate it, but I am gonna go pop on some fall season mascara and show you the final look. All right guys, so here's the final look with just mascara. Okay guys, don't mind the lashes. I just did this quick to show you what it looked like with lashes. This one's kind of popping off. I got black lash glue everywhere. What else is new? But here is the final look. Thanks for watching, guys.